In this video, you'll learn how to create a private channel on Slack. By following these instructions, you will be able to set up a dedicated space for specific team members to collaborate securely. Begin by navigating to the Slack application on your desktop or in your web browser. Ensure that you are logged into your workspace. Once you're in Slack, look for the sidebar on the left side of the screen, which lists your channels and direct messages. Next, locate the button labeled Create a Channel at the bottom of the channel list. This button is usually represented by a plus sign. Clicking it will open a new window that allows you to set up your channel. After that, focus on the input field titled Name within the channel creation window. Click on this field to activate it and prepare to enter the name of your new channel. Choose a name that clearly reflects the purpose of the channel for easy identification. Once you've entered the desired name, proceed by clicking the button that says Next. This action will lead you to the next step in the channel creation process, where you will define the visibility settings for your channel. At this point, you will see an option labeled Visibility. Click on this option to access further settings. This is where you will decide whether your channel will be public or private. Now, select the option that states Private Only Specific People. This choice ensures that only invited members can access the channel, providing a secure environment for sensitive discussions. Following the selection of the privacy setting, click on the button labeled Create. This action will finalize the creation of your private channel, and you will receive a confirmation that your channel has been successfully set up. Finally, if prompted with an option to invite members, click on Skip for now. This allows you to create the channel without immediately adding members, giving you the flexibility to invite them later as needed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.